Hi guys, welcome to the i2R CNC YouTube channel. In the following video, we'll be going over some of the basic steps it takes to operate your i2R CNC. Depending on what project you're making, there's many various ways to set up your CNC. This is just what I did in the video, not necessarily the best way or the only way. Also in this video, we showcase a OPT laser. I just want to let everyone know that it is still in development. It is not ready for sale, so this is just some in-house testing that we're doing. So I just want to let you guys know. In the future, we will be coming out with a laser attachment for all the i2R lines, so keep an eye out for that. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoy the video. In today's video, we're going to try to make a Marvel calendar. I got the file off the internet. We loaded it up. So far what I've done is mark the center of my workpiece. I've set the center off in Vbit off the center as well. So the first thing you want to do when you turn on your machine is home it. So we're going to do that now. Okay, once the machine's homed, I'm going to set the X and Y origin on the center work. That. Zero off the X and Y. The Z0, we're gonna just use this touch off tool that comes with every machine. Makes the process a lot easier. So the next thing I'm going to do here is save the file from Vbit for the UCCNC control. I already did my tool paths here. We're doing a 0.06 inches depth of cut. It's going to take about an hour and a half and 1600 millimeters per minute feed. So let me just save this. Okay, and now I'm going to load up the file in UCCNC. Okay, the cool thing about UCCNC is once you load up the file, you get to see a preview of it in reference into real life, how it looks on while the machine is machining. So at this time, it's a good idea to do a border check. What that basically means is just kind of run around the edge of where the tool path's gonna go and make sure you don't hit any clamps or anything, and everything on the edges are okay. This part is kind of close to the clamp. It might actually hit it while it's running over here. So probably need to adjust. I'm gonna move the clamp to the edge. Well, it's always a good idea to do the board. I'm gonna do a little time-lapse video, show you the machine working. Finished running, took about an hour and 20. Take a look. This area got a little chippy, but should be okay. A little bit of sanding, should look fine. Overall, came out pretty decent considering how much detail is on here. I sanded it down a bit just to give the surface a bit of a smooth for the laser. It is not 100% perfect, but overall still pretty decent. There's some spots here just kind of chipped off. It's cheap plywood, so maybe could adjust the feeds a little bit. Adjust the depth of cut probably would help too. And it's just cheap plywood, so it has a tendency to chip off. So what we're going to do now is laser some of the parts that kind of chipped off. This is an OPT laser. It is still in development stages. It is not available for sale yet, so this is just in-house testing. So we'll see how it goes. Might just add some more lasering in here. finished product. Probably gonna put some stain on it. One thing to notice, the top was not really lasered because the CNC could not reach the top due to the laser offset. So I kind of forgot to account for that while designing this workpiece. So that's something to watch out for when you're working with laser attachment. Overall, still came out pretty decent. Thanks for watching the video. If you guys enjoyed it, make sure to like and subscribe. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comments and we'll get back to you. Have a good one.